Alright guys, what's up? This is your boy Krusty Pickles, and we are back with another unboxing review. This time is going to be the Xtrons, it's like an Android 8.0 Android radio. It's a double DIN deal, 7-inch screen. That's what it's supposed to be anyways, with a DVD player. Let's go ahead and open this up. Literally just got it in the mail, so I haven't even opened it up yet. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with it. Okay. Now I think the radio that's in my Audi right now is an Android from Xtrons, so I may be able to get away with using the wires that are already in it instead of using the ones that are in this box. So go ahead and pull this out of here. If I can get it out of here. Oh. Okay, it is exactly what I ordered as far as the look is concerned. Alright, so we'll go ahead and move on to this part right here first. I had a hard time finding a radio that I wanted because I did want to have 4 audio outs for the regular door speakers so that I could run an amp. Also, the factory Audi has an amp, which I'm using the outputs for right now as it is. And then I wanted to have a subwoofer out. So here we go. Alright, so we've got our GPS antenna right here. It does have a little bit different of a plug than what my radio has in it already. The one that's in it already basically just kind of screws on with a little brass fitting, so I might have to change this out. Alright, going on to this. Looks like we have a few USB ports. That's pretty cool. This is going to be different from the radio that's in mine right now because I don't have one of these. So we have USB 2.0 1.1 right here, kind of a greenish color, might look blue to you. USB 2 2.0 for the red one, and we have USB 1 2.0 for the yellow one. Okay, so it's just they're all the same, they're just USBs. And USB 1, USB 2. Cool. I might actually have to use this. Not sure what other than maybe a thumb drive will go in it. Here's your main wiring harness with your power and everything on it. Right here you have your audio video in, so this would be like maybe a backup camera input. And then this is the one that I was wanting. This is the one that I was having a hard time finding because the ones that I was looking at only had 2 audio outputs. So we have video out 2 here, amp connection. It just says amp con, so I'm guessing that's the remote wire. This should be subwoofer out. Yes, subwoofer out. Front line out, or front left out. Rear left out, front right out, or rear right out. Okay, yeah, we have all the ones that we're looking for, as well as a video output, so if I wanted to run another monitor I could. And I guess this is for a power antenna maybe, so that's that. Looks like we have a couple more. ACK site video. I've actually never heard that one, so that's a little new for me. FCam video in, not sure what that is. Also, I'm starting to run out of storage space on this camera right here, so I'm gonna have to probably pause the video here shortly and put them over. Oh, okay, mic in. So I don't have a mic, so I probably won't be using that one. And then we just have another, look like auxiliary cables here. Let's see. Auxiliary right. Another video in, DVR in, or DRV in. I think that's supposed to be DVR. and auxiliary left. And then this is TVRA, or TV infrared. Here also is the user manual. That way I can tell you how to set things up. Looks like it's mostly in English. I know some of these have a situation where there'll be English on the front and then you flip it over and it'll be, I don't know, Chinese or something on the back, or maybe Spanish. Also, I just noticed this has a wiring diagram to show you how to hook everything up if you're not familiar with it. And another one there. Alright, so before I actually unbox this, I'm going to pause the video right here, transfer some video footage from this camera right here on over to my computer. That way I can empty this one and finish the video. Alright, we're back. So the next step would be, go ahead and open this up. Let me try to be real careful about this. I say that and then I cut directly towards myself. So it does look, like I said, exactly like what I ordered. I did get it off of eBay, not from the direct website. But yeah, so obviously, like most, it's got the kind of pinout and what codes it has right there. Also, it looks like they have this little antenna right here. I'm thinking this is the Wi-Fi receiver. I didn't see anything on here about Wi-Fi. I'm sure you could probably use one of the USBs if this doesn't work, but I'm thinking this is the Wi-Fi receiver. Supposedly this has steering wheel controls, although I don't know if I have the wiring for it. I'll have to look under my dash. I don't believe I do. I do have steering wheel controls, I just don't know if I need a specific adapter. I do need to get a mic if I want to use that for the calling. It does have a mic on the front. That's what I've been using, so I don't know if this is any good or whatever. So yeah, it looks like it might be pretty similar to everything that I had on my other one as far as the plugs are concerned. I may still have to use the harnesses that came with this one because they did have a couple updates. I know I'm going to have to at least use the GPS adapter. But other than that, man, I don't know. Yeah, that does actually say, it says Wi-Fi right there underneath this, so that's got to be the Wi-Fi. I love the clean look to the face. There's no physical buttons. It's all soft touch like a phone. That's the reason why I wanted it, because I kind of wanted it to almost look like it was integrated in. Looks like it's got the screen protector on it. There's a little green thing right here that I guess holds it so you can peel it back. It does have the CD player in it. I'm not used to seeing it be so wide open, so we'll have to test it out. I think I've got a DVD or a CD that I could use. I'm a little concerned. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but right here there's a small little chip. I'm not sure where that come from. I hope this wasn't a radio that was returned, but here in a little bit we're going to go out and hook it up. It's dark outside, so I might have to hope that the dome light's sufficient, or else I'm going to have to do the install tomorrow. Also with the kit comes your mounting brackets. Now, I didn't get this with my other radio just because I actually got my other radio from a friend, so I basically just got the radio itself. So you have these, comes with your mounting screws. I'm gonna probably use these because I want it to set in properly. Now, the one thing that I'm not happy about is the depth, the mounting depth. Part of the reason why I wanted a new radio was because the one that I have in there is similar to this with the mounting depth, and I can't push it all the way into the dashboard, so it kind of sticks out a little bit. The dash kit doesn't even fully go in. I'm going to see if this one will fit. Hopefully it does. I'm going to take the time to try to move everything out from behind it that I can, and hopefully it works. And then I can get it in there, sitting in there looking properly. I really want to see the face be flush with the dash kit, because I want it to look factory a little bit, you know. So with that being said, it's a really nice piece. Let's go ahead and get it in the car and see how it works.